Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming hardware and proximity. Open Device Manager to ensure a Bluetooth adapter appears. If missing, install drivers. Then, on your PC, go to Settings, Devices, Bluetooth, and Other Devices to start. Make sure the device you want to pair is powered and in pairing mode so Windows can discover it. Once done, toggle Bluetooth on at the top of that settings page. This initiates scanning and prepares your computer to find nearby devices. Now you select and pair. Click Add Bluetooth or Other Device, then choose Bluetooth. Windows will list discoverable devices. Look for the device name that matches. You may see manufacturer or model details. Select it, then follow on-screen prompts. Either confirm a displayed PIN, accept the pairing request on the peripheral, or enter a code if required. Make sure to wait until Windows shows Connected and that the device's status updates. This verifies a successful secure link. Finish by verifying settings and functionality. Check Bluetooth and other devices to see the new device listed and test audio, input, or file transfer as relevant. If Windows cannot pair or the device disconnects, make sure drivers are current. Open Device Manager, update or reinstall the Bluetooth adapter driver. If problems persist, run the built-in Bluetooth troubleshooter from Settings Update and Security Troubleshoot. It automatically fixes common conflicts and hardware-related issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.